Okay. What is your name, my friend?
Deepu.
Deepu. Deepu. From
Deepu Harami.
Mapi. Deepu Sayyad me.
Harami from Bangladesh.
La. Deepu
India.
Baluan me.
Mafi Balo Harami.
La. Deepu good at me, bay. Sayyad me. Mga kaibigan natin yan sila lahat. So, क्या हाल है भाई साहब?
ठीक है भाई साहब।
कुछ मुश्किल नहीं है?
कोई मुश्किल नहीं है।
बराबर में है। At magandang hapon po sa lahat. At ito, bigla ko lang naisip na magpagupit ako sa labor camp. Kasi mas mura. Plus, makakatulong ka pa sa mga skilled workers na nagpa-part-time. Sa 10 reals na paggupit, hindi ka na magsisi kasi okay naman sila eh. Ang mahalaga guys ay nakakatulong po kayo sa kanila. Kasi ito ang ginagawa nila pastime after ng duty nila. Kaya di na ako nagdadalawang isip na pumunta at magpagupit doon sa labor camp. At ito na, let's go! Problem.
Yeah, video. Yeah, YouTube channel.
So, mga kaibigan natin yan sila lahat. So, क्या हाल है भाई साहब?
ठीक है भाई साहब।
कुछ मुश्किल नहीं है?
कोई मुश्किल नहीं है।
बराबर में?
बराबर में।
Okay. What is your name, my friend?
Deepu.
Deepu
Deepu Harami.
Mapi. Deepu Sayyad me.
Harami from Bangladesh.
La. Deepu
India.
Baluan me. Deepu good at me, bay.
Kabir Harami bhai.
La. Sayyad me. Ismanta, what your name?
You forget my name?
Oh, I forget.
You know me or no?
I know you in the face, but name no.
You forget. I go your office.
Yeah, that's why for Karaba.
Time to time.
For Karabas, huh?
Yes.
Oh, that's why. But I know you. I don't. Chacha, क्या हाल है? इधर जाएगा तुम. Good आदमी बहुत मुश्किल है. Oh, good. Oh, see, fantastic. This, my friend. You are working in the Mika easy. Before in the engineering, huh?
Yes, engineering building.
Now you are in the single apartment.
Now single apartment.
That's good. One admi, one haircut. How much percent?
4%.
4% for you, 60% for the owner.
Yes. Owner now sleeping.
Oh my God! So sleeping, but his income 6 reals, huh?
Yes.
Per head. Oh my God! But it is good, because after work you can have extra. Not bad for you. Because after work, instead of relax, cellphone, so you go to the barbershop, lah.
Yes, boss.
Okay, those idea. So 4 reals per head. How much this one in Bangladesh money?
Indian.
Indian. How much this one Indian money? Rupees.
On haircut?
Yeah, in rupees. 200. Oh, too much expensive, huh? Haircut, 220 haircut. Too much expensive in rupees. 220 rupees.
Philippines?
No, in India. Yeah, by sa pura chamcha admi. So, you're friend with Victor, ah?
Yes.
Victor, good guy or bad guy?
Very good guy.
Very good guy. Before, Victor, long hair, right?
Yes.
Now, short hair.
Now short hair.
What happened? You cut?
We cut.
You cut your Victor hair or?
Yeah.
Oh my
Philippines,
God.
Philippines.
Huh?
You go vacation, you come in the Philippines.
Ah, not here?
Not here.
Why? Sa
Yes, I go vacation, my mother no like.
Kajos, maybe Kajos ba?
Now again coming big.
Good.
Tiger.
What time you start working the site? 6:30?
6:30.
Until 3 o'clock?
Until 3 o'clock.
That's good. But no overtime?
Nothing overtime.
But this one is overtime for you, right? Haircut? Good. Dusra idea. Sige. Ang bira mo ka mo akong kinalbo na. Not kalbo? Not gancha?
Happy kalbo.
Oh, mapikalbo ah.
Only barber.
Only barber ah. Make it very good ah.
Yes.
Not sim Victor ah. My haircut sim in the picture. Huh?
Yes.
Sure? If not sim picture, then I will cut my head ah.
Yes.
Baisak kale. Yes, Taban at me. So my haircut is good. Is same in the picture, not same. I will cut my head ah.
Okay.
Bira mukhang inubos mo na yung buko ah. Good ah. Perfect. Fantastic sa ayos ah. Superman. No problem. Oh. Tapos na. Good. Ito, babalik na tayo. Tapos na tayo magpagupit eh. So, balik tayo sa ating area. So, ito yung mga accommodation ng mga ng mga skilled workers natin. Sila sa baka. Fuck the fuck. Aywa, so may mga cricket sila guys, oh. Daming audience. Sada. Perfect. Ajibay, assalamualaikum. Sahala si. So, yun. So, uwi na tayo. Andun yung mga tropa natin. Okay. Diba nakaka-enjoy sila? May cricket. Assalamualaikum. Aywa. Yun si ating kabayan naglalakad. So, let's go.